Hi guys, welcome to a new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can start freelancing online with no money. Before we get started, I'm Kevin. I produce content on making money online, computer tech tips, and freelancing. If you love this topic, subscribe now so that you don't miss when I upload new videos like this. So let's get into the video, and the first step is to get educated. Understanding how the online space works is very vital for your success. And if you want to become a freelancer, you need to know things like: number 1, research skills using Google. Number 2, websites that you can make money from. Number 3, how to get paid online. And number 4, the skills you can offer. The most important one of the 4 is your skills. Therefore, you need to understand that your skill can make or break your career as a freelancer. So, where can you learn online skills for free? 1. By looking for free information and tutorials in places like YouTube, Udemy, Skillshare, email subscriptions, and lastly, websites from professional freelancers. These are the places where I utilized to make money online when I was new. YouTube was my biggest one, then Udemy, and email subscriptions, because there are people who have websites and you can subscribe to their email and they send you free information and you can get to learn from them. So I would recommend for a new person to start on YouTube, and then email subscriptions, and then website from professional freelancers. But if you want to know how you can benefit from YouTube, Udemy, Skillshare, look at the videos in the description after watching this one. The second step is to create samples. In this step, you need to research what are the common requirements for your skill set. With this knowledge, it is easier to create samples to showcase your potential. Let us have a look at a transcriber as an example. A transcriber needs good listening skills. He needs a speed of at least 40 words per minute, and he also needs good grammar and punctuation. So, how do you demonstrate writing speed? You just need to search typing tests on Google, then go to typingtest.com, and the thing that you need to do is to start your typing test like that. Then you can click there and start your typing test. And how do you create a sample as a transcriber? All you need to do is go to YouTube and search something like interview. Then you need to go to filter and search for duration. Select 4 minutes. Then go back to filter. Select Creative Commons. Under the features, you select Creative Commons. So you get some interviews that you can select from. You can download these interviews because they are Creative Commons. You can use them and then transcribe them and use the audio or the video as a sample. So whenever you have a client, you can send the transcription and the video or the audio for the video to the client for him or her to verify that you know what you do. Okay, I have also linked a video in the description of a friend who showed you how you can research your skills further on Upwork. Okay, the third and the final thing is to select a website to work from, and the reason is to be able to master that website in order to get work on that platform. For new freelancers, I recommend Fiverr, since clients look for you and it's easier to grow. I also have a video about Fiverr that you can check on here. So guys, That is how you can start freelancing online with no money. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.